Well, Karen Reed's lawyers were back in the courtroom today as Reed looks to delay the civil trial against her filed by the family of John O'Keefe. NBC 10's Eli Rosenberg live outside of the courthouse in Brockton. So, Eli, why is Reed and her attorneys pushing for this delay?
Well, Corey, this all comes down to timing, with Karen Reed and her lawyers wanting to push the civil case until after the criminal case is wound down. But the lawyers for John O'Keefe's family, they filed this wrongful death lawsuit, say the case should move forward.
When I woke up after 4, I knew something was wrong.
Karen Reed sit down with NBC's Dateline. One of the reasons the civil case against her should move forward. A lawyer for the family of John O'Keefe says
Karen Reed can't have it both ways. She can't try to shield it in here, but speak freely and wave it out there.
This past August, O'Keefe's brother and mother filed a wrongful death suit against Reed and 2 Canton bars. O'Keefe was found dead outside a Canton home in January 2022. Both criminal prosecutors of the wrongful death suit allege Reed hit O'Keefe with her SUV after a night of drinking at those Canton bars.
Your service is complete.
Reed's first criminal trial ended with a hung jury.
I'm declaring a mistrial in this case.
And the second criminal trial is set to start early next year. Reed's lawyers asking a judge to delay discovery in this civil suit until after that second trial.
The requested stay is both warranted and essential.
But the O'Keefe's lawyer disagreed, telling the judge that Dateline interview, other interviews, and Reed talking about the case publicly should allow this civil case to move forward. Experts say the timing of all of this matters.
In a civil suit, and this is what she's worried about, is any statement she makes can be used against her in both civil and criminal cases. And if she chooses to exercise her Fifth Amendment, that raises a presumption that the answers would have been hurtful to her.
So the hearing lasted about 45 minutes inside the courthouse here in Brockton. The judge saying at the end he would take all of it under advisement. And that second criminal trial that was focused on most of the deliberations today is slated for late January of next year. Ivan Brockton, Eli Rosenberg, NBC 10 Boston.